My dear students, right now I am going to teach you a chapter from standard 8 which is factorization, and from this chapter I have selected one topic, that is factorization of quadratic polynomial. First we will understand what is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial are those polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. If you will see, like this polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then that polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. Right, I have taken some of the examples of the quadratic polynomial like x square plus 8x plus 15, x square plus 10x plus 16, x square plus 11x plus 24, x square plus 15x plus 54, x square plus 16x plus 60. Our intention in this topic is to learn how we would factorize these quadratic polynomials. So we will understand how we would factorize these polynomials. Okay, now first note down every questions on the basis of factorization of quadratic polynomial, and now I am going to take one example like that is x square plus 8x plus 15. So how we will factorize this polynomial? We have to understand this. First, what you will take? You will take for factorizing this polynomial coefficient of x square. If you will see this polynomial, in this polynomial the coefficient of x square is 1. Wherever there is no number beside of the variable, their coefficient will be 1. So here beside of x square there is no number, so we will consider 1 as a coefficient and we will multiply this one by the constant term which is 15. So when we will multiply 1 by 15, so what we will get? 1 15 ja 15. Okay, 1 15 ja 15 we will write over here, and then we will divide this 15 by 1. When we will divide this 15 by 1, so we know that 1 how many times 15? 1 15 ja 15. If we want to divide this 15 by 2, it can't be perfectly divisible. So we will take the next one number which is 3. When we will divide this 15 by 3, so we will get 3 5s are 15. Why we are doing like this? If after doing like this we will get the middle number, this one which is 8x, positive 8x, we have to bring this positive 8x by adding these two numbers, by subtracting, or by taking one number positive and other one negative, one number negative, other one positive. By any of the way, if you will get 8, then you have to substitute these two values over here at the place of the middle term. Therefore, it is also called as middle term splitting. So, if we will take this 3 and 5 in positive, you can see 3 plus 5, it will be what? 8. And what we have to bring over here? 8 we have to bring. Okay, and with 8, what is the variable? X. So we can take over here 3x plus 5x. It means we can substitute at the place of 8x. What we can substitute? 3x plus 5x. So we can write x square as same. Okay, and at the place of 8x, what we can write? We can write 3x plus 5x. We can write 3x plus 5x. And 15 we will write as same plus 15. Okay, over here you can see I have substituted instead of 8x 3x plus 5x, and such as we have got a polynomial which is containing 4 terms. Now we will take the common between these two terms. So what is common over here? There are 2x over here and here 1x. So we can take 1x as a common over here. So what we have left over here? There are x square means what? X square means x multiply x. Over here 3 into x. So we can take 1x from here as a common. Here we have left 1x. Over here plus. So we will write plus sign. X, this one x we have taken as a common. So what here we have left? 3 we have left. So we will write plus 3 and we will enclose the bracket. After that there is a plus sign. So we will take plus sign over here. Okay. Now if we will see these two terms, here is 5 and this 15. This one 15 can be written how? 5 into 3. Can we write like this? So what is common over here? 5 is common. You can see here 5 and here also 5. There are two terms over here. This 15 can be written 5 multiply 3 and this 5x can be written 5 multiply x. So what is common over here? Here is 5 and here is also 5. So we can take 5 as a common over here. Okay. So what we have left over here? X we have left. Here is plus sign. So we will write plus 5 we have taken as a common. Okay. So what we have left over here? Over here we have get 3. Now here x plus 3. Here also x plus 3. So we can take x plus 3 as a common over here. From this is a one term and this is the other one term. So within both the term we can take x plus 3 as a common. So when we will take x plus 3 as a common, so what we have left? In this term we have left this one x. So we will write x over here. Here is plus sign. So we will write plus. And this one x plus 3 we have taken as a common. So what we have left over here? You can see here 5 we have left. So we will write 5 over here. It means what is the factorization of x square plus 8x plus 15. So our answer is x plus 3 into x plus 5. How we have got this one more time? I am going to repeat it. Pay attention over here. Now you can see what we did over here. I have taken the coefficient of x square. Over here is 1 and this is the constant term which is 15, and we have multiplied 1 by 15 over here, and I have written over here 1 multiply 15 as a 15. Over here I have written 15, and then I have divided 1 by 1. First I have taken 1, and from this 1 I have divided this 15. 1 15 ja 15 I have written over here. And when we will take these 1 and 15, if we will add 1 and 15, so what we will get? We will get 16. And what we have to bring? After solving this 1 and 15, if we will add these two terms, 1 and 15, so we will get 16. If we will take both the number 1 and 15 with minus sign, so what we will get over here? We will get minus 16, because we know that minus 1 and minus 15, we will get minus 16. And if we will take 1 in minus and 15, if we will take 1 as a minus 1, and if we will take both the number like 1 and 15 and plus, suppose I have taken 1 plus 15, so what we will get? We will get 16. But what we have to bring? 8. But here we are getting what? 16. So we can't take these two numbers. If we will take 1 is negative and 15 is positive, so what we will get? 14. Then also we are not getting this 8. If we will take both the number in minus, like minus 1, minus 15, so what we will get? Minus 16 we will get. Okay, that is also not equal to this plus 8. If we will take 1 is positive and 15 is negative, so what we will get? Minus 14. This is also, this one minus 14 is also not equal to this 8. But when we will divide this 15 by 3, 3 5s are 15. We are getting 3 5s are 15. If we will take 3 positive and 5 positive, it means 3 plus 5, so we will get 8. It means we can substitute at the place of 8x. After taking variable with 3 and 5, we can write at the place of 8x what? 3x plus 5x, and we will write as same this one 15. After that I have taken the common between x square and 3x, x as a common. What we have left over here? X, and here what we have left? 3. So, and within these two terms also we can take as a common 5. 5 is a common, so what we have left? X, and plus over here 3, because we can write 15 as a 5 into 3. After that I have taken x plus 3 as a common. What we have left? X over here and plus 5. So our answer is x plus 3 into x plus 5. Now I am going to take one more examples, that is second one. Second one is we have x square plus 10x plus 16. So in the same way how we did question number 1, as same we will do this one also. What we should do? First we will take 1 as the coefficient of the x square, and we will multiply this one by the last term, which is constant 16. 1 multiply 16, what we will get? 16 we will get. Okay. After that, we will divide this 16 by 1. 1 16 are 16. If we will add these two terms, 1 and 16, so what we will get? 17. But we have to bring what? This middle term, which is 10x. But if we will take 1 plus 16, so we will get 17. If we will take both the number with minus sign, like minus 1, minus 16, so we will get minus 17. And that is not equal to this 10. If we will take 1 is with negative sign and 16 is with positive sign, so minus 1 plus 16, what we will get? We will get plus 15, which is not equal to this 10. If we will take 1 as a positive and 16 as a negative, then we will get minus 15, which is also not equal to this 10. So we will take another one number, which is 2. When we will divide this 2 to this 16, so we know that 2 8 ja what? 2 8 ja 16. You can see over here 2 8 ja what? 16. But when you will take 2x plus 8x, so it will be equal to what? 10x. So we can substitute at the place of 10x what? We will write this x square as same, x square as same plus. We will write this 2 with x, like 2x plus this one with x, so 8x we can write. And we will write this 16 as same. I have written over here 2x plus 8x instead of this 10x. This 10x. इस 10x के बदले में हमने क्या राइट डाउन किया है? What we have written over here? 2x plus 8x. Why we have written over here 2x plus 8x? Because when we will divide by 2 this 16, so what we will get? 2 8 ja 16. And when we will add these two numbers, 2 plus 8, so we are getting over here 10. So we are substituting over here 2x plus 8x instead of 10x. Okay. Now we will take the common between these two terms. So what is common over here? This is x square. It means this is x multiply x. X square means x multiply x. Over here 2 multiply x. So what we can take as a common? X we will take as a common. So what we have left over here? X we have left. Over here positive sign, so we will take positive sign. X, this one x we have take as a common. So what here left? 2 left. So we will write plus 2. Now, if here we will see over here the 8 multiply x, this 16 can be written also 8 multiply 2. Can we write or not? So what is common here? This 8 and this over here also 8. So we can take 8 as a common. Over here before the 8, what sign? Plus. Plus we will take 8 as a common. We can take out. So 8 is a common. Is common. What here left? X here left. So x we will write plus sign we will take. 8 we have taken as a common. So what we have left over here? 2 we have left. So we will write 2. You can see over here we have got x plus 2. Over here also we have got x plus 2. So we can take out x plus 2 as a common. So when we will take x plus 2 as a common, so what we have left over here? X and over here plus 8. So we will write x plus 8. So this is our answer. Now my dear students, I have solved two questions of one type of the quadratic polynomial, and these three questions, question number 3, 4 and 5, you will solve, and if you will get any difficulty, so you will through the WhatsApp comment and you can ask the query of this question. You will write only the question number 3 of type 1. We have a difficulty. Then again on the next day I will explain these three questions also if you have difficulty. So you will try to solve these three questions.